Hey guys, so today I created this bronzy look with the Essence Fire palette. I don't normally use drugstore eyeshadow palettes on my channel, but if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on this 9-pan palette, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so Essence sent me these 4 eyeshadow palettes, and I've actually never used Essence eyeshadows before. So I thought it would be fun to try out one of these palettes, and these palettes are inspired by the elements. So we have water, fire, earth, and air. I'm going to show you the insides a little bit. I still have the plastic thing on top because I know I'm not going to use all these palettes. I will be giving some of these away. But this is the water one, just nice blue colors. This one is fire. This one is earth. And last is air. I really like the look of the earth and air one, but both these palettes have mostly shimmers in them. So I feel like it would be kind of hard to create a full good look with this. So I think I'm gonna use the fire one today just because I love these warm tone colors, and it does have 4 mattes in this palette. These palettes are only $9.99, so let's see how it performs. So I already primed my eyes. I just used a concealer and I set that with the translucent powder. I'm gonna start with this neutrally brown on a Sigma E35. And I'm going to place that in my crease. The shade looks really good. It has just like the perfect amount of pigment. Now I'm going to take this matte kind of yellowy cream shade, and I'm going to use this to help blend out that first shade. So I'm kind of placing this like right under my brow. Now I'm going to switch to a Sigma E25, and I'm going to take a little bit of this matte reddish shade, and this is going to go kind of in my lower crease. I don't think I want too much of this shade, just a little hint of it. And then I'm going to go on top of that with that first brown shade I used, just to help blend. I really like this bronzy shade, so I'm going to take this one on a Sigma E54, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And I am going to do a few layers of this shadow until it's as deep as I want it to be. So I did about 3 layers of that shadow to get it to look like this, and I love how it looks with my blue eyes. Now I'm going to go back to my E25 with nothing else on it and just do a slight little blend in the crease to help blend out that shimmer. I'm going to go pop on a little concealer under my eyes, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to take more of that bronzy shade on the tip of my E54, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. I like how this shade has just a little bit of shimmer in it. It's not too intense. And then I'm going to take more of that matte neutral brown, again on the tip of my E54. Just use that to help kind of blend out the shimmer. Now I'm going to take this light shimmer on a Sigma L04. I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner and a little under my brow. I think I want to do a nude in my waterline, so I'm going to take the Benefit Roller Eye Bright Pencil. You could totally do black or brown if you wanted to make it more smoky, but I kind of like the look of the nude with this. Now I'm just gonna go pop on some mascara. All right, so I popped on some mascara. I just used the Fenty Beauty one. I did do a lash lift and tint a few weeks ago, which is why my lashes are so lifted already, so that's why they look so good just on their own. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by this palette. The formula reminds me a lot of just Makeup Geek eyeshadows, where they're just easy to apply, they're blendable, they're pigmented, like everything you need in a shadow. I do really like the shade selection in this palette. It's just perfectly warm toned. So if you like warm tones too, I don't think you'd be disappointed by this palette. Let me know if you've tried any of the Essence Elements palettes. I would love to know your thoughts as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.